Hello, and thank you for dropping in today. I hope you had a nice weekend with family, friends, and worshiping your God. I'm so happy that you're with us today on this Monday, the 9th. I'm excited that you're here. Let's look at the title of our episode today. The Eternal AUM, what it means and how to use it with grace. What does the eternal AUM mean? Well, in ancient Sanskrit, it's referred to as the bin do chant. That means the seed mantra that starts all, begins all, and binds everything together in 3, 4, and 5D, right? So let's just do it. There's a couple ways to say it. The most common way to pronounce it is OM, 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 om. And that is the binding of the 3Ds. But let's say that I look deeper than that. There's another way to say it's AUM. 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 When you're doing it like that, the AUM, it's ancient, very ancient. You're really tuning in to 5, 4, 3, like 3, 2, 1, right? It's amazing. It's amazing because then the different syllables, the tones, the rhythms, the vibrations, the frequency kind of individual come in, whereas the OM is the binding. And be surprised how many people chant this and they don't know what you just heard, right? So I want you to think of a slinky, right? And then the Om is Om, Om, Om. It's referred to again as the Bindu or seed mantra, but a lot of times you'll notice before another mantra like Om Shanti, right? Or Om Manapana Hum, or Om Shivaya, or Om Shivaya Shiva, right? Or Om Krishna, Om Rasaji. Means give power to, because it's the manifestation of the Holy Spirit. Christ being the Word made flesh, but really when it comes down to it, he was the flesh of the vibration of the Holy Spirit, right? So really when it comes down, the Word made flesh is really the Om, right? The eternal. And a good way to start it in the most simplest way is just the humming sound at the end, the moon. Mm, mm. And then as you do it proficiently, then you add the O. Om. 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 Jesus said, let thy eye be single, and thy whole body would be filled with light. It's very understanding to know that in ancient Sanskrit and the teachings of the Siddhas, the Siddha Yoga masters, is that when you identify the sound in the sixth chakra, or that one eye be single, the all-seeing eye of God, it is AUM. Very good topic. Barak Abishai, may the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. Look forward to seeing you bright and early Tuesday. Now, don't be late. We'll see you. God bless you.